Hey guys, today we'll be making a snowman winter inspired wreath. What you will need: a work wreath. This one is 16 inches, purchased at Hobby Lobby. I have this really cute sheer snowman ribbon, 2.5 inches in width. Also this cute red ribbon, 2¼ inches in width. Blue and white deco mesh, purchased at Dollar Tree. This really pretty, it looks like snow infused mesh from, this is actually from Walmart. So cute. And it's 20 inches as opposed to 21 inches. And then I have 21-inch white and silver shimmer. And scissors. Alright, let's get started. The very first thing I am doing is lifting all of my chenille stems. I have the white and I have the snow, we'll call that the snow mesh. And I have one on top of the other. I'm going to curl the sides in to make a nice point. Start on whatever stem you choose. Place the mesh down and twist it a couple of times. This looks so cute. It reminds me of snow. So then you're going to pull a nice poof, place it on the next stem, and twist it. Just like that. The size of the poof is completely up to you. You can make it larger, smaller, whatever you prefer. So then I'm just going to pull again, make another poof, and place it down. Just like that. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps all the way around the outer ring, and then we're going to come back and do the same thing on the inner ring. Let's see how cute and poofy it looks. Make them as huge as you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish up on the outer ring. I usually don't cut it until after I've placed it on the stem, but since the roll was practically at the end, I decided to go ahead and cut it. So I'm just going to pull, make a poof, untwist this last stem, place it down, and then twist it back. So untwist, place it down, and twist it back a couple of times. And then you can just cut away the excess. Now we're going to start on the inner ring, and I have the white with the silver infused for the inner ring. I'm going to kind of curl to make a nice little point. And I'm just going to pick a stem and get started. The exact same way we did on the outer ring. Alright, so I'm going to make one more poof. And you see I took that mesh off the roll because it was pretty much done. I'm going to place it down and twist it a couple of times. Now the reason I'm using so many different rolls of mesh is because they all have a small amount of mesh on them, and I don't like waste, so I know that these can't make a full wreath by themselves, so I just use them as extra mesh to help fluff up another wreath. So that's why I like to do this, to get the full use of all of my mesh. But if you have 2 full rolls, then just do the steps I'm showing you with both rolls. You don't have to cut and add new rolls each time. So you would just go with like we've been doing with this roll the entire time. So done with that. Now I have one more roll, and the way that I add it on, and this is a good method for if say you think you have enough for a full wreath and you actually don't, you can just place it underneath like that. I'm going to untwist the section that I just twisted because I want this anchored in place as well. I'm going to place it in there and then twist it back. Just like that. and no one knows a thing. And we're just going to continue on for our last couple of stems. And then just fluff up all of my poofs so that they're nice and poofy. And again, I was able to finish off a few rolls of mesh that otherwise would have gone to waste. And you guys know I don't like waste. And you can see that the mesh on this side is slightly darker than the mesh on this side. But you can just like have it like half and half like this, or you can have the darker poofs at the top or at the bottom. Completely up to you. Again, if you're going to use mesh that is all the same, you don't have to even think about that. So next step, we are going to take our deco mesh and cut them into smaller pieces so we can place them throughout the wreath. Alright, so I have the blue and white deco mesh. I have cut them into 8-inch long pieces. I've cut my ribbon into 10-inch long pieces. I know at the beginning of the video I showed you guys this 2 1/4 inch width ribbon, but I've decided to actually use the thinner ribbon, the 1 1/2 inch width ribbon. If you want to go with all thick ribbon, definitely go for it, but I think this one is going to look so cute and adorable. Alright, so for this part, you can definitely have fun with it. You can add whatever colors, whatever ribbon, embellishments that you choose. So I have my deco mesh and I have my ribbon. I cut my ribbon into 10-inch long pieces and the deco mesh as in 8-inch long pieces. And I ribbon cut the ends of my ribbon, which is folding the ribbon in half, open ends at the bottom, fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. Do the other side, just like that. The ribbon cut is optional as well. We're going to place the bundles on our wreath. What I'm going to do is take a white piece and roll it at a diagonal. Blue piece and roll it at a diagonal. And I have a white piece. So one blue and one white. Roll it at a diagonal. And then I'm going to take a red piece of ribbon and my snowman ribbon. And I'm just going to scrunch it all together. Find a stem, untwist it, place your bundle down, and twist it back in place. And I'm going to go ahead and tuck it away after I do this. I like to go ahead and tuck it away when I know I'm done with it. You can still add other embellishments if you want to put like little snowmen or anything like that. But we just tuck it away, just like that. I have all of my deco mesh and my ribbon in place. It looks so cute and precious. I love the pop of red. It just adds a little extra something to the wreath. You can add more deco mesh, more ribbon, less ribbon, whatever you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own. You can add an adorable sign in the center. I think it looks so cute and adorable just like this, but just personalize it to fit your theme.